Hello, my name is Ink Monster Design. So this is Fire. So this is without the background. So totally need. So sorry for interruption. I put 15 in here. It should be 3 minutes. So if you look on here, I try to copy it, but goes another background. So this is with the background here. So I'm thinking of the lore of this. His name is Fire again. So if you look at this here, I did not export or I'm not good with animating, but I'm trying. This is Fire. For monster submission for Mr. You know, if you know Mangaka Odi, this is for Mangaka Odi. So he drew my drawings. So total, this is my first time drawing digital. So this is Krita. So if you look, that's my initial FWB. For my drawings I use FW, but I should my peers says that I should, put the B. I don't know why, but this is, look at this is Fire. So this is the brushes that I use. The brush that I use is this one. His name is Pencil One Sketch. Next I use this one airbrush. Of course, this one forgot where I did use this, but yeah, pretty cool. And the others, this blending tool, this one, this one and this, and I also use this one. His name is Stamp Grass. This one also, what this name, Stamp Leaves and Tall Grass, I guess. And this one for that. That's all. So yeah, this is Spire monster submission for Mr. Mangaka Odi, and for the rest of the people. That's all. Sorry, I cannot. That's all. My 3 minutes is almost gone, and 1